gorgeous. I'm going to teach you the most yummy-licious practice. It's inspired by Dr. Cathar Darmani's work. She does an ancient matriarchal dance that goes back 4,000 years. And this is not the dance that she teaches. However, it was inspired a lot by her work, and it's also infused with belly dancing, believe it or not, as well. And the secret with belly dancing is that belly dancing itself builds up the protection within your womb. And so just as you move your belly like this and like that, it builds up those similar protection lines to get your body feeling not only yummy, but being protected and softer as well from other energy fields, other people's energy. That way you're really more connected to your own sensual self and to your own softness, your own energy, and your softness and essence protects you. Also, your body will feel so much more yummier after this practice. So it's very, very simple. First thing you're going to do is just snake up and down. And I like to think in my head, yummy, 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 yummy. And just really like the yumminess all in your body. So yummy, 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 yummy. And then you're going to shimmy. Yummy, 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 yummy. And then you're gonna shimmy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Let's see if you can see my shoulders are doing yummy, 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 yummy. And then we're gonna bring in all your sensual essence. Yummy, 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 yummy. And make sure with this movement that it's your hip itself that's going out and creating the movement versus twisting. Because if you just twist in it, you're doing the same movement that we started in. So make sure that your hip is going out. Yummy, 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 yummy. So you should feel softer. You should feel lighter. Yummy, yummy. And you should feel yummier. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. So often women especially are taught to lay small. I don't know if you just heard my knee there. But this is about us expanding. And it's one of the healthiest things in the world for your body to do. Whew. Wow. Do you feel how amazing you feel now? How much quieter, how much peace. So take a moment, whether you begin and end your day with this practice, or whether it's a practice that you do throughout the day, just to, I don't know, you need to like hide in the bathroom somewhere to do it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful way to completely transform your energy field. So thank you so much, and have a beautiful, peaceful, extra yummy day. Hope you enjoyed this dance.